Hey guys, it's Squish here. In case you guys are wondering why I haven't posted any new videos lately, I'm just waiting on some stuff and trying to clean up my shop so I can make it look a little bit better for actually recording in here. Hopefully the fan is not too loud. It's hot. It's real hot to try to work without a fan in here. I'm sure how it's affecting the audio. But yeah, this is what I'm working on today. Just cleaning up the shop, trying to free up some real estate. I got some old car parts from a past project. I ended up scrapping a Mustang because it had the rot really bad. I used what I could, and then this was what was left over. So I'm trying to see if I can sell some of it. I don't really want to trash it. I'd hate to do that or recycle it. I'd like somebody to get some use out of it. So I'm letting some of it go pretty well, actually really cheap. Plus I just have a mess in here, and it's not very nice view for shooting video in here, so I just got to clean some stuff out, and then after that hopefully we can get to work on the 1000 again. We'll get to work on the 1000. We'll do a couple projects. Yeah, I really do want to get back to work on the 1000, but I got to get this place cleaned up. I got to get some better lighting. I got to yeah, just free up some of this crap off the floor, get a couple shelves put in here, and finish my welding cart. I still got to do a little preview on the welder, but yeah, I just thought I'd give you an update. That's what's going on here. Just trying to clean up, make some room, make it a little extra cash on the side. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Hopefully I can come out with some content soon. I know it's been a little while. Thanks for watching. Peace.